Hi guys, welcome. My original key fob for Honda. This is a 2004 Honda Accord. It broke, and my key doesn't hold anymore in this. So I ordered a aftermarket part on eBay, and this is how it looks. The problem is there's a chip here. So I put everything together and I tried to start the car and it doesn't start. And I noticed there is this chip which should be replaced and then put in the new fob. So I'm trying to break this plastic around this and then remove this and then put it here and then put this back. So let's see how it goes. I used a small plier like this and I tried to break this plastic, and I'll keep trying to break the plastic around this chip as much as I could. So I'm trying to remove as much plastic from around this transponder and then put it back in here. So I'm trying turning and twisting using the plier, and now I cannot do it, so maybe I'll use a small hacksaw and then cut this excess, because this plastic at the end is very thick and I can't twist it to break it off. After trying a lot, I was trying this and then trying to cut this, and then suddenly this plastic piece popped off, and then inside that I was able to see this chip, transponder chip. It is glued and it is like this in place, and I was able to pry this, move this plastic, and then pull this chip using these pliers. And now I'll just put this with some double-sided tape, then put this back, put this, and then put the screw on top, and it should be, the key fob should be ready. I've put some tape and I made sure that the glue portion is facing up, so facing these three buttonholes. Then I'll put the screw here. That will be end for this video. I'll test this and let you know how if it's working. This is the finished fob. I have to put some glue here. So for the time being, I'm putting some clear tape. And let's see if it starts. Yeah, it does. Thank you.